Welcome to HBM English Day School. Our motto is Modern Education with Old Values. We believe in providing excellent learning with the best infrastructure and academic performance, experience quality, facilities, and superior study environment for your children's success. This is our office, an administrative functional unit of the school. Our aim is to empower students with the latest tools and resources. We are fully committed to providing students with the highest quality education. CBSE Integrated Curriculum. CBSE has a skills-based curriculum whose aim is to provide ample scope for physical, intellectual, and social development of students. So, we are associated with Lead Integrated System School who have 9,000 schools in all over India. The school is providing digital and smart classroom equipped with range of teaching and learning tools which give students the ability to access information beyond classroom training. The most important aspect is we have qualified teaching staff with CBSE curriculum. Also, we teach computer, phonics, and Vedic maths. Library is also provided by the school. This is our pre-primary playground. The school playground provides a safe outdoors environment within the school that stimulates children to use their creative energy in healthy interaction with one another. We provide clean hygienic canteen and healthy nutritious food. We are imparting education as per new National Education Policy 2020. Also, we introduce farming, gardening and pottery experience for our students to enable them to know the culture of our ancient history of our country. The huge campus spread over 2.5 acres includes swimming pool, garden, turf, sports ground, canteen and spectacular school. The additional facility is that our school is providing school bus for pickup and drop facility. We also try to maintain friendly relation and atmosphere with the entire satisfaction of our students and parents. We also give them training in classical and western dance and music. Only 3.5 km from Palava downtown, Lakeshore and Crown.